Evangelion fans put forward the 4 Asukas theory. With the next Evangelion film delayed, fans will once again have the time to theorize about what director and notable Ultraman hiker Hideaki Anno will do next. Theories range from a secret Eva to Gendo, do, doing the unthinkable and trying to be a good dad. One of the more entertaining theories that bubble up is the 4 Asukas theory. Drawing truth, the number could be anywhere from 3 to 5, but just how much water does the latest theory hold? The idea of the red-suited Eva pilot being more than one person is already essentially a given. Surya and Shikinami are already treated as distinct people across the Evangelion canon regardless of how, or if, it affects its story. The theory appears to have first cropped up thanks to my image of 4 Asukas in Until You Come to Me, an Animator Expo short following up in 2012's Evangelion 3.0 Yukinan Redo. The short means as a mass showpiece for Studio Kara animators. Briefly shows a lineup for Asuka as seen in her first scene in the TV series, in the hospital and in Evangelion, in the first 2 films, and finally with her eye patch in the most recent film. A theory has resurfaced, stating that each of these iterations of Asuka is indeed a separate entity, whether they multiple personalities, clones, or Asukas from different timelines isn't clarified. Drawing the theory seems to lean toward the last of these. A slight alteration of the theory posits that we've seen only 3 separate Asukas so far, with eye patch Asuka and no eye patch Asuka indeed being the same person. Either way, it goes on to say that whether she's the 4th or the film, or the 5th, we will see another Asuka in a coming film. So just how believable in this theory, considering this is Evangelion we're talking about, pretty much anything goes, considering Rei Ayanami's world deal and Kaworu's meta levels of knowledge. It's not implausible for there to be multiple Asukas in play. Technically, a lot of the meat of the theory leans on that one shot for Until You Come to Me, and while it looks very cool, it might be something of a stretch to assume that visualizing Asuka 4 times is a secret message conveying that there are 4 of her. There's much more enticing point to that image. The fact that it is post 3.0 short references the television series in Shinji's memories. It may be a non-canonical, or at least WC canonical, showcase of talent, but even so, it seems has strong excited fans may be missing the forest for the trees. The real answer, of course, is that no one ever really knows what Evangelion is going to bring. This theory, or some versions of it, may yet prove true, or Anno may steer off in another direction entirely. If all goes well, we know by the end of 2020